It's okay. I got you, bud.
Okay.
Okay. Oh boy, yeah, we got work to do. Okay, 1 second. Seeing how they're moving cold here. There we go, yeah. All right.
That was good.
We'll get it. It basically stuck its tongue at me when I tried to move it. It said, yeah, no.
Yeah.
I'm frozen in here. Oh, yeah, Chad. Tilt it right a little bit. There we go. Here we go. Rex, this side right here. Focus right there. There you go. There you go.
Oh, God, you got it. Thank you.
Notice the sound was a lot louder. Did you notice that?
It was. Wow.
That was what we call out.
You don't give up. It's good. You're not a quitter.
I am the most greedy chiropractor you're ever going to meet.